Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was the smallest squirrel in the entire forest, but what he lacked in size, he made up for in bravery. One sunny morning, the forest animals gathered to plan their winter preparations. The wise old owl, who was the leader of the forest, advised everyone to collect food and store it for the cold months ahead. Sammy wanted to help, but the other animals thought he was too small to make a difference. "You're just a little squirrel, Sammy," said the deer. "Leave the hard work to us bigger animals." But Sammy was determined. He scampered up the tallest trees, gathering acorns and nuts, storing them in a hollow tree near his home. He worked tirelessly every day, even when the wind howled and the rain poured. One day, a terrible storm hit the forest. The wind was so strong that it knocked down many trees, and the other animals' food supplies were ruined. The animals were worried they wouldn't have enough food to survive the winter. Sammy saw how sad everyone was and knew he had to help. He led the animals to the hollow tree where he had stored all his acorns and nuts. "I saved these for winter," Sammy said. "We can share them so that no one goes hungry." The animals were amazed by Sammy's kindness and hard work. They realized that even the smallest creature can make a big difference. The wise old owl praised Sammy for his bravery and selflessness. From that day on, Sammy was known as the bravest squirrel in the forest. And when winter finally arrived, the animals all had enough food to stay warm and strong, thanks to the little squirrel who never gave up. And so, Sammy and his forest friends lived happily ever after, knowing that bravery comes in all sizes. The end.